Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make desi fried rice. First, gather your ingredients. You will need cooked rice, a mix of colorful vegetables, and your choice of protein, perhaps chicken or paneer. Don't forget the essential aromatics like fresh ginger, garlic, and a few green chilies for that authentic flavor. Also, have your sauces, such as soy sauce and a dash of vinegar, ready to go. Next, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large wok or a deep pan over medium-high heat. Add your finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies, stirring until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, toss in your diced onions and cook them until they become soft and translucent. Now, it's time to add your favorite vegetables, stir-frying them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are crisp tender. Now for the star of the dish, the rice. Add your cooked rice to the wok, making sure to break up any clumps so it can mix evenly. Drizzle in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar for that tangy kick. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of garam masala to enhance the desi flavor. Stir-fry everything vigorously, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly combined and heated through. Finally, for those perfect finishing touches, garnish your delicious desi fried rice with a generous sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro or some vibrant spring onions. Serve it hot and fresh, either as a satisfying main course or a flavorful side dish. For an extra treat, you might consider adding a fried egg on top or a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Enjoy your wonderful homemade desi fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.